Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's learn together some of the things that I've been deeply learning and deeply actually doing research on. And today's video, we'll be going through some of some of the things that I'm sure they're gonna affect each and every one of us in one way or another, and that is artificial intelligence or AI. Now, we're going to be diving in and actually answering this question: will AI take jobs from you guys? Especially for those people who have been looking for jobs, we're going to be diving in. Will AI replace human workers? Okay, because people are concerned about the automation of jobs and whether advanced AI system and robots will eliminate the need for human labor in various industries. And that is why today I'm doing this video or this series to actually just let's talk, let's have a conversation. But first, let's define what is AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, it is always or often called AI. It refers to computer system or machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Instead of being actually explicitly programmed to perform specific actions, AI system can actually learn by analyzing huge amount of data and actually recognizing patterns. Now, they use this knowledge to make decisions and also to solve problems and actually just to carry out some tasks with minimal human intervention or in human supervision. Now, sometimes or most of the time, AI can actually take different forms, ranging from basic system performing single task or even more advanced ones, and just being capable of performing complex activities such as self-driving cars, speech recognition, or even playing strategic games like chess. Wow. And some common example of AI that we have seen in everyday life include visual assistants like Siri and also Alexa. I know most of you have Alexa in your home. I don't have it, but I know you already know what is Alexa. Personalized recommendations on streaming platforms or even on spam email filters. Okay, in anyway, let's move on and actually answer this question about AI and how can it actually potentially take our jobs away from us, guys? This is very concerning and we need to make the discussion. If you have any question, please don't hesitate. I love to read some of your questions, so let's keep on actually having the discussion in the comment section, and I'll be so glad to read some of your comments. Okay, now the fear of AI replacing human workers is a valid concern and one of that we need actually to discuss, and it has been widely debated actually. Now, while it is true that AI system can and while it is true that AI system and robots are becoming increasingly capable of performing any task, it is unlikely that they might completely eliminate the need for human labor in most industries, because there are so many things when it comes to actually just job and industries that robots, I think personally, they cannot handle it. Like they cannot do everything as we human do. Now, AI has the potential to automate routine and repetitive tasks, leading to an increase in productivity and efficiency. This can actually free up human workers to focus on more creative and complex aspects of their jobs. Moreover, AI systems are designed to assist and enhance human capabilities rather than replace them entirely. That's why I said, or that's why it is being debated, that even though they can do that, they have the potential to do or to do certain tasks, but that doesn't mean that they're gonna entirely replace human beings. Okay, they can assist human beings in terms of actually just doing some task, and human beings can actually focus on other more creative things or other jobs that don't require them to be there or to actually do them, and then they can be more productive in terms of actually job wise. Now, my also thought about it is that in some jobs maybe significantly they might be impacted by automation, particularly those that involve in repetitive and predictable tasks in industries such as manufacturing, transportation, customer service, etc. Now, however, new jobs are also likely to be created as a result of AI advancement, focusing on areas that require human skills like creativity, maybe critical thinking and empathy, and also problem solving. So it is something that you should know also not. Like I said, it's not that it's gonna AI or the robots, it won't actually replace human beings just like that, because like saying you're gonna need, there are some skill that actually require creativity, which robots do not have equal mind like human beings. Okay, also critical thinking and empathy, and actually problem solving. For instance, if you are in customer care services, or if you are in a role of actually dealing with people and there is a problem, you must have certain skills like in terms of problem solving, how you're going to solve these problems, how are you going to, maybe for instance a customer comes arguing or maybe shouting at you because of a certain product or because of anything, how are you going to actually put in effort to actually think wisely and react wisely and solve that problem, which when it comes to robots they don't know, like they don't have human feeling, they cannot do that. Okay, now additionally, there are some tasks that even the most advanced AI system currently struggle to perform, such as those which actually require high level of emotional intelligence, ethics, or social interactions. Jobs that will heavily rely on this aspect will continue to be predominantly performed by human beings. Okay, so we don't need to worry, guys. We are safe, especially for those people uh, who actually are in the job market, whereby you need to actually do what, perform certain tasks, like I have said, in terms of actually requiring high level of emotion and intelligence. Okay, so that's something we should bear in mind. Now, if you ask me, or my conclusion about this, it is that in summary, while AI will bring significant changes to the job market and some roles may be affected, it is unlikely that the advancement or advanced AI system and robots will actually completely replace human workers in every industry. Instead, they are more likely to actually make human being capable or capability and lead to a redefinition of job roles in various industries. So they might be, or we will see a lot of jobs that will be involved, or jobs that will actually emerge out of this scenario whereby everything is just going to be, or AI has just taken everything, even the social media, wherever you go, you will see a lot of stuff. So let's see, or let's try to focus on the positive side more than on the negative side. That's what I normally say. All in all, whatever happens will happen. Okay, but it is also good to just focus on the positive side and see the goodness of what is coming, and to be prepared, even in terms of learning new skills, and in terms of actually just knowing how are we going to deal with such situation. By the way, guys, one thing I have to tell you, even Google, if you go to Google, Right now, Google offers a lot of free certification in terms of actually AI and other skills. So it is good to take advantage if you just Google or skillshop.com. I think for Google, you're gonna actually learn that there is a subject or there is a portion whereby Google is offering something to do with AI learning. Okay, so guys, I hope you have understood my points, and if you have any concerns, if you have any queries, and you want to actually add your points, you can do so in the comment section, and I'll be so glad to read some of your comments. Until next time, again in my next video, I'll see you. Bye.